you share a New Year's resolution that you are hearing from your customers when it comes to like technology or security or whatnot? What are you hearing yet?
So it's kind of a 2-for-1 resolution that we're hearing a ton of, as probably many of you out there are as well. And that is, most of our customers are continuing to just push everything that they can to the cloud and really trying to move to being a cloud only, frankly, organization. And they realize that in order to do that well, they also have to change and often increase the security that is a part of their infrastructure as they move to the cloud. And so this is why Microsoft 365 has been such a great tool set for us, because it's totally designed to go cloud only if you want to, and the security features are stellar and fully integrated with everything else that most of our clients are using. And so that's what we're hearing a lot of, is this kind of dual need to continue to push to the cloud, as well as implement security solutions that integrate well with an all cloud environment.